y'all, so let's make we're going to be doing a bucket hat. So I've already pre-cut out and washed the fabric for this, and we're going to make a money bucket hat, so stay tuned to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into it.
These niggas talking out of their neck. Don't pull no coffin out of your mouth. I'm way too paranoid for a threat. Hey, let's get it, bro. DOT, the money, power, respect. The last one is better. Say this a lot of goofies for the check. I mean, I hold them sentiments symbolic. My temperament bipolar, I choose violence. Okay, let's get it up. It's time for him to prove that he's a problem. Niggas clicking up, but they not be legit. No 40 water. Tell them, yeah, get up with me. Fuck sneak this and first person shooter. I hope they came with 3 switches. I crash out like fuck rap. This Melly Mel if I had to. Got 2 T's with me. I'm snatching chains and burning tattoos. This up lost too many soldiers not to play it safe. If he walk around with that stick, it ain't Andre CK. Think I won't drop the location. I still got PTSD. Motherfuck the big 3. Nigga, it's just big me. Nigga, boom. I'm really like that. Hey, your best work is a light pack. Nigga, Prince outlived like Jack. Nigga, boom. Boy, your dog's getting buried. That's a K with all these 9s. Eagle see Pet Cemetery. Nigga,
boom. Dope, dealer selling dope. Is you like that? Kicking doors, kicking in doors. Is you like that? Young throw, nigga selling laws. Is you like that? All 24, you won't go. Is you like that? Niggas from the bottom really like that. Stepping in balances if you like that. Pop another bottle if you like that.
Thank you.